Hello my people, welcome to my channel. This is Pigmentation Kit by Suganda and Chada. So Chada is well known YouTuber. She suggests skincare and beauty products, and Suganda is well known herbal brand from South, Indian brand from South. So they have three products inside this pigmentation kit. One is face wash, Centella green tea face wash, and they have advanced pigmentation serum, and third one they have squalane ceramide moisturizer. In face wash they have Centella glycerin green tea and pathanol. In this advanced pigmentation serum they have 2% alpha arbutin, 5% niacinamide, and 2% acetylene. And in moisturizer they have 2.5% ceramide, then centella, and then niacinamide. So the ingredient of all these products are really good. Beside the kit there is the way how to use the products, and first time I bought it and our result were good. Thank you for watching.